Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your rewards on the booking.com application. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app, then click on the profile option at the bottom of the screen, then click on the rewards and wallet. So if you book something like a hotel room or a flight, then you will be able to earn travel rewards, and you can use that those rewards for other bookings, and you can pay with your wallet to save money. So if a booking accepts any rewards in your wallet, it will appear during payments for spending. You can see at the top your wallet balance, and this is a really great option, because if you travel usually or often, then always you will have some rewards, some discounts, and you will be able to use them for your next travel, for your next trip. So this is what rewards are and how you can use them. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.